Yamachi BM Samuel kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumedi no so Apostle Dr. Ani Tekutegu Yedase eni nkwanshen sem de du so ne Badwam Kasian samono ne todwa omubi ya wobeti ni GS mpanifo se ochechire ni ya waboa ma nsohwe mu nkro no bo akoso no fato adwene mu se yidie nam kwanso ba eno ne nsem bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam Kasie faseda ma Joy Trish wontadi ba ko ene hyemi ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV ya 280 ko YouTube na kwa adomonline.com semwe nyina so egum ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de miente se den semni chemo ankasa etie Ghana Education Service mpanifo se wo chechire ni ya wo ho bon krono bo ekoso e won sohwede mu no fasha wadwene mu se hwehwemu ni wiedie na wo ho bon mu a eyidie enam kwanso.
In fact, any documentary report and Nkwana Yansaka, your report be brave because Yankasa officers and also your quabonting all the time while you be seeing we went out you interacted with the schools and the students, Yankasa you observe in your maybe a church funny being so all schools in the near course when ninja one ebi nso send your emails ebi mo send your messages ningina boy ma ya gada sa schools ningina and data ningina nhwehwemu bebre ekoso na ya sompa all the schools are yebo wonding a churchfo yebo wonding supervisors yebo wonding no we have extended invitations ya to inside the afraid be more wasaka one invitation be most one sanka and I'm quite so I call. In fact, we are also writing to the media houses now more gather all those information. It's a one why na yansanka footages no the unedited ones na ya raw no na yen so yen assessment and investigation. Nembum say ye investigation ni nyina hwie na ebede di say mo ye cheche no ye supervisor wo kan ho bi and more practice in the course where such a power home, including the semester. Say you be you a DFE, a Jumanimo. Intino, ye didn't catch to me a GES Council. Na GES Council, one away the highest authority, our Ghana Education Service in the moon, or more my permission, say teacher be at the no share more practice in Munayansa Canoa, ye to me in a D. Ye ward the support of the Ministry of Education, so say teacher bia ya be yenhwehwemu a yensabe kan bia no ono nso yetumi yinedi. But the WASI is still ongoing in a watchro in social necessity. Yenfa no say after the WASI no, because it is possible say even on the last day of writing we may find an instance of more practice in tin. Ye say ye wie in social nyina.
Also for our hair, gender, children and social protection, so Agnes na mumulati se ne one more sakra niememu se beya man so bedi akotene ewo mpenini ahudu mu se amanyosem ene ngumasuemu ene she builds conference akoso enkran and also for din semi etudwa wo faso abo ye mampeni abedi akire Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajima Abasui.
I reaffirm government's unwavering commitment to ensuring that women are not left behind or on the sidelines for development. A landmark step has been taken with the recent passage and launch of Ghana's Affirmative Gender Equity Act 2024, Act 1121. This legislation is a game changer and it seeks to increase women's representation in politics.
Enuanoma womo ba dwumadie no asene bi nso ene Adom News nsentwofo twetwe nkomo no womo so de nsem sei na tudwa.
Because I see a lot of confident young girls taking up engineering courses and knowing that there's solidarity networks like wine helping them through the journey. So there's hope for the future. There'll be more inclusive engineering and more impactful engineering.
All the benchmarks, I think women have. So when I think of Chief Justice, I know you can become a Chief Justice because we had a woman Chief Justice. You think of Attorney General Betty Modujusu, you think of that as well. You think of Ghana Bar Association President. So there is hope.
Adeshe ya wamote kojoboni krobi ewo pandaimensimu wo northern region say wo sra ban any NGOs any ankrankra wo mra emeboa wo nsuo ne nsuo wo nomo no ensani
Me pacho nsu asem de my ye boho no me nsape enti we no ache pa se wo free a o sore na se wo be o ka se wo be bu nsu a wo be che wa ha pa fiti anopa na ye ba ye anya nsu a ye be se enti ye sre a be se on boy no ma ye boho no bebre enti we no almost 20 years na ye ase enti ye pa na cho ye pe boho ye pe nsu asem ye de nkaka se ye afa hye se ye nipa be do so pressure be die so
ebi mu nso de nsɛm se atudwa ɛfa ho
yɛda ahwɛfo ase because yɛwɔ kodwobɔ ha no na River Dakar na ya titifo no omunum na se ambre yi de River Dakar no atan so konsuo no mu a be nsuo nsuo no mu ayetan enti yɛhwe a na amayofo no o ma betutu boho bebre ama timamfo no enti yɛwɔ kromu ha no mostly boho no na yɛyusu nenso eto abrebia na ensuo no enso ye na mbanu akogu faako na atwadeɛ eguso
Osofo ya washe Works and Housing and Water Resources so Gilbert J ene wose aban no guso ya wo ye nhyehyɛ legal and policy framework ebetimi aboa na aboye nsuwa ho ban no won mo ye ene wiase nyina da ya ye die efa World River Day and odisansemi etuja.
A legislative instrument on buffer zones will be enacted to illegally protect riparian areas, prevent encroachment, and secure river corridors for future generations. The revised national water policy will guide reforms, aligning with the SDG 6, climate commitments, and national development priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, laws must not remain on paper. They must bite. Enforcement will be uncompromising, and offenders who pollute or destroy rivers will face strict penalties.
What in some Etudjawi Chief Executive Officer Magana Hydrological Department, Dr. Sylvester Dako, and Sudi to just say
Water Resource Commission, the Water River Authority, Water Research Institute, Ghana Meteorological Agency, and our international partners to provide accurate, relevant, reliable hydrological data and information for effective management of our water resources, planning, assessment, management, and for informed decision-making, enabling early warning systems, mitigation strategies for floods, supporting scientific research and development of new water management technologies.
Alhaji Seidu Sulemana ye Savannah Regional Agric Director woni adom kase edi nkoma wo sisese bambofo age North Gonja aboso ni nyina no ejina anthrax yade ye yinitie ewo ho sebe ye ntre ne nkomade munti ene ehyehyeye a wode atuho.
We are still tracking the actual issue. There is a suspected incident of anthrax. And anthrax is a very serious disease that is communicable to human beings. And it is very, very serious. And it can cause a lot of deaths on humans as well as livestock. So because of that, we have not yet been able to confirm the incident. So we are suspecting, and for that matter, we have to take emergency measures so that if it is fully confirmed, then we might have put the measures in place.
Kane mampeni abedi achire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na nida kwan so betu franka amba NPP amanyuko no neyi wo bonto a wodi tuja se NPP 2024 election no wo mu win more votes wo ye Zongo sin 2020 no mudi nti memo mu ntie de ebirmo ka se vote bi ankoso ho no osi memo bi ntie sa ensen propaganda bi ene birmo ye
de etoso omuka se munyina motiye se skramofo zongofo omo anto aba ama Dr. Bawumia samotiye metiye me si na data yi wo he because media ukbe kanchire me asema me here ejina so o me say for data ebra but me share data no mu the story is different. In fact, Zongos no yenya votes in 2024 esin votes are yenya in 2020. Now presidential aspirant Bako Eko Jina Hoka say Dr. Bawumia Zongos no only one polling station and the whole country. Why are propaganda ewoho? Nipa ekasa without data because omu pese omu ye konkonsa. Enyasa konkonsa de unhia data odi two system no na enam na ekọ. Enyasa but odi u konkonsa ba me ho a me ma na agina ho me the data no ebe confront you.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asie umre no wadaje a ode ma yenti ye da se ye to so ebra kwasinsia aye krado kejuwa na nkasa nso ewo ho ye de agudie mu nsam ne de bonkrata no eto so no pay e de ama ye da se papa share live ewo Facebook/Adom TV extra enti eno no radio fosu 97.1 ye chiachia mo ye mamunyina kwaba enso e de baso kwasi no pay menchia wo mu akwaba yi
bia ba menyo so
na bibia bokọ
na so e
nyankopon adom
no
so
black kitchen mo de aka me civil servant bia na edu na bosumi akatwi ada kekasi mo se me kwagye abatu fie se ya tem se bi dress na ade abegina e
da so